share with you how to change your MacBook lock screen picture. Unfortunately, I can't record my screen. I can't video record my screen while when my screen is locked. But I've tested and this trick or tutorial, and I'm sure that it works. So step one, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Then click on Wallpaper. And from here you can either use the screens, the pictures that comes with your MacBook operation system, or use custom ones by clicking on Add Photo, Choose, or From Photos. Let's go with Choose, and click on and locate the photo that you want to use as your lock screen picture, and double click it, and you will see it here. And just close this window, and this is how to change your MacBook lock screen. Personally, I prefer using nature photos, so just click on them. Sometimes those photos are high quality, so especially those dynamic wallpapers, they require a little bit of time after clicking on them in order to download to your computer. So for example, if I click on this, it takes, as you see, this is the progression, the download progression, and now it is used. And this is a Macintosh one. And even though I'm previewing my desktop, this is the same photo that will be shown as your MacBook lock screen. Personally, I prefer this Shuffle Cityscape because it gives me a work around big cities like Dubai, like New York, and what I like about them is that they are above the cities. And this is how to change your MacBook lock screen picture. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.